Garlic naan is amazing Indian bread, so let me share my easy recipe with you. First, add the active yeast, confectioner sugar and salt to the flour and thoroughly stir. Add water, Greek yogurt and olive oil and process into the dough. Cover with a plate and let it rise. Prepare the brushing mixture from melted butter, oil, salt, pepper and garlic. Process it with an immersion blender and place it on the side. When the dough is doubled, take it out of the bowl, flour the surface and split it into 8 even pieces. Roll each into a naan until you process all. Brush and place it on the grill one by one. When you finish, immediately start turning and brushing the other side. Bake until done. Place it on the plate and enjoy with any favorite Indian meal or just as an irresistible snack. Look at the texture. Find my recipe at tomthechef.com and follow me for more.